is Patrice Wilbur. I am a client of Vito's from Basement to Finish, and we recently had our basement redesigned from finish. There was absolutely nothing here, and Vito and his crew came in and they did a fantastic job. We now have increased our house to 3 additional bedrooms, a photo studio, a home theater, a home gym, and open area for a bar and a man cave. So we are very excited about our project. We have guests that come over and they rave about our project, and they are asking, can they move in and get our job? And so I just want to say thank you again, Vito, for actually coming in and being on top of things and getting our job done perfected like we wanted it to. Thank you.